Hey everybody, it's Miss C, fourth grade teacher at Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. So today is day 2 of our spring break review. So we were going to start on the stream. We talked about the other day. The stream is just going to be updated now with announcements, not with any of your assignments. Assignments are under classwork here. So we're going to click classwork, go all the way down to science, and we are on day 2. I'm going to click this open and it has all the instructions. So today you're going to be watching this video right now, Spring Break Review Day 2. Then after this video is over, what you're going to do is complete the natural environment lesson 2. Okay, so this is for people who need to get caught up. If you already did this, you're good to go. You're going to work on other assignments. All of our assignments have been changed to have a due date of April 12th. So that is the Sunday after spring break is over. We start school again on April 13th, my birthday. So what you will do is you will complete any assignments that you're missing in ELA, in math, and in science. So today, natural environment lesson 2. So we have our BrainPop login and password, and we have our BrainPop video down here. You're going to be learning about energy sources and about the natural resources, the renewable and non-renewable resources we use to create energy and power our buildings and our houses and planes and trains. After you watch that BrainPop video and you have a little bit of background knowledge on energy sources, you're going to go to our natural resources and energy video. This is where I had already pre-recorded and talked about natural resources and energy, and where we read page 212 and 213 in our Fusion Science book. After that, you're going to fill out this natural resources lesson 2 energy exit ticket. Please make sure that you're filling this out. So this tells me who has done it, and then I get to see any questions you have and some of the things that you think are really cool. And then that also allows me to give you a grade for it, okay? So go ahead and get started on Spring Break Day 2 Natural Environment Review. All right, bye everybody.